Hello friends, this is Swapnil and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session we will discuss about one of the most important feature of new ABAP, that is for statement. So SAP has introduced for as an alternative of a loop statement, but with the consideration of performance. So today we will start from the basis, and in upcoming videos I will show you the different variant for operator and how it's work. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start.
Okay, so now I'm in my web editor. So what first need to do is first you just need to declare types. So today we will see how to use the for iteration. Okay, for is nothing but the alternative for the loop statement. Okay, so we'll create one small program so that you will understand. Let's declaring one type UI. Sorry, types begin of emp data, then take any field. We'll take a name type Carden, then we'll take city. Okay, we are taking only two fields as of now. Carden, and here end of emp data. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just defined one structure. Okay, we'll take one more type emp data. So type standard table of emp data with empty key. Now I have declared the table type over here. So after that, the next step is lt underscore emp data. This is the inline declaration. This data will refer to this table type. So tmp data. Okay, now we are just taking. We have just declared one internal table with the reference to this table type. Okay, this table type have already defined over here. So now what we will do, we will just fill this table with the table with the values. First field is name. Okay. So name can give any name. We'll give the Jackson, and the second column is city. Okay, city. Give Mumbai. Okay. Now the next column will take as a, again we will fill the data name equal to Ramesh, then city as an, then Pune. Okay, we'll take the closest one. Okay, and again we'll declare one more name type Mahesh, city as a Bangalore. Okay, so what here we are doing, we are just filling the internal table with the value. Okay, the name is equal to Jackson, city is equal to Mumbai, and we are just appending three record for this table. Okay, so we'll write on the right statement table data. Okay, and after that the loop, in order to display the record in the table, loop lt data, assigning field symbol fs emp data. Okay, then we'll write one right slash fs emp data cmp data name, then space cmp data city. Okay, here what we are doing, we have just defined one structure. In the structure, using this structure, we are defining the table types. And here is the here we are filling the data for this internal table using this new using this new way. And okay, so now we will use the for statement. Okay, now suppose we have to just copy this city from this particular table. Okay, so in that case what we just need to do, we will declare one more table type here. So UI, I'll declare another city type standard table of ty not ty, it's a char 10 with empty key. Okay, so here, right, unit fetching city. Okay, city. Okay, so now we'll declare one more table as a lt city, and for this city we will give the table type reference as a tt city. Then here we will use the font, then ls city is nothing but a work area, and in the name of the, sorry, not ls city, it's ls emp data, because we are going to copy this read the data from this table. Okay, this is nothing but the work, this is nothing but the structure work area, and this is the table. Okay, okay, font, and then ls ls employee data, and then copy the city column. Okay, the city. Okay, and now we'll check the recording from this city table. Look at city into less city. You can take the field symbol, or you can define the work area as well, no issue. City, then right, ls city. Okay, sorry, into data lt city. Okay, activate, check and activate. Okay, okay, so now what we have done is we have just created one structure and then created two table types. Again, here is the first table. For this table we are appending the data in this table with the three rows, and then this loop is nothing but in order to display the record from this table. And after that, now in this case we are using the for statement. For the using the for statement, we are just selecting only this city, only, or reading all the cities column from this employee table. So for that we have just defined one table type for the city, and we declare one internal table with the values, and we are using the for is nothing but alternative for the loop statement. And this loop statement, if you see, if you check here, here ls employee data is nothing but a work area in for work area in employee data. The employee data, lt employee data is nothing but an internal table. Okay, so what here we will loop at employee data loop loop at enter into this ls limit, okay, to city, okay. So this is the simplest way to read the all the cities from the available internal table, okay. So there is no need to worry how much record we have for in this particular, for this one statement will read all data from this city table, okay. So earlier we were just looping for this table and reading the data, looping for this table and reading that data in a structure, and after that we are just taking one by one entry from this table, okay. But now as you can write this one small statement and you can read all the city in one particular table, okay. So let me execute this. Slash or SA 38. Okay, now if I will execute, okay, I will give some gap here so that you will understand. Skip gap here, okay. Skip activate. Okay, I will execute once again. Okay, so now you can see here. Here this is LT data and we have all the data here, X and Y here, these things, and here you can see for the fetching city. So we have just written only one line of statement so that it is fetching the city of all these data available in this particular table. So you can see here fetching city, all these cities are here, okay. So using this way you can use a for iteration, okay.
So friends, if you want the sample code for the practice purpose, so you can copy this code from my website as well. So you can find the link in the description. So, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button below. If you have any doubt, then please write me in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about SAP ABAP, then visit my website, that's at www.learnsapabap.com, and please subscribe to my channel to get notification about my next video. So friends, bye, signing out.